The Honda Fury 2010 is a bold and stylish cruiser motorcycle that redefined the concept of custom design with its futuristic aesthetics and powerful performance. At the heart of the Fury lies a 1312cc V-twin engine, delivering smooth and muscular power with 109 lb-ft of torque. This liquid-cooled engine is paired with a 5-speed transmission, ensuring effortless cruising and strong acceleration. One of the standout features of the Fury is its unique design. It boasts an ultra-long wheelbase, a minimalist front end, and a low-slung seat height of just 26.9 inches, giving it a sleek and aggressive stance. The bike's belt-driven shaft final drive ensures low maintenance, while the fat 200mm rear tire adds to its bold visual appeal. The lightweight aluminum frame and advanced suspension system provide excellent handling and comfort, making it ideal for both city rides and long-distance cruising. In terms of braking, the Fury is equipped with a 336mm front disc brake and a 296mm rear disc brake, offering reliable stopping power. Its fuel tank capacity is 3.6 gallons, providing a decent range for a cruiser of its size. Pricing for the Honda Fury 2010 typically started around $12,000–14,000 USD when new, and used models can now be found for approximately $7,000–9,000 USD, depending on condition and mileage. For riders seeking a blend of modern technology, striking design, and raw power, the Honda Fury stands out as a true head-turner. Whether you're cruising down the highway or making a statement on the streets, this bike combines performance and style in a way few others can match.